Buongiorno, buenos dias, bonjour, ni hao, kalimera, grüezi. Guten Morgen und herzlich willkommen. I'm sorry that I can't address you all. There are so many countries represented this time. But be sure, wherever you come from, a warm welcome to the city of Schwäbisch Hall and to the Pharma Forum 2025.
It's a pleasure to open the 9th Pharma Forum 2025. This is a journey of 27 years.
Pharma Forum is basically a platform where customers meet other customers, where it's an exchange of information, of experiences. Of course, we take the opportunity also a half day showing our equipment, our newest developments, but the focus is that customers meet other customers, getting networking together and doing, let's say, also having a nice time, of course.
I'm looking forward to all the new creative, innovative things that OPTIMA is doing, because we are working closely together in one project now.
I'm very impressed by all the people and the subjects that are shared. It's very impressive.
Now it's time to say thank you for your participation, to all the speakers in the great sessions, to the great possibility of networking. Only together we get better. So thank you and see you at the next Pharma Forum.